Hi, today I'm making a hash brown breakfast casserole. I did a little poll and it looks like a breakfast option won out. So we're going to do a hash brown casserole with hash browns. In this case, they're like country style potatoes, 6 eggs, cheddar cheese, green chilies, as well as turkey sausage and a little bit of onion. Now you can use whatever kind of sausage you like, but I like this brand of turkey sausage for this recipe. And we're going to cook the entire thing and just break it up. You may have to use a fork. I tried with a spatula and realized I needed to go with a fork. So once it's all cooked, you're probably going to have to use a little oil with the turkey sausage because it's drier, doesn't have as much fat. But it doesn't create enough fat where it's overly greasy. So I would recommend hanging on to the drippings. I'm then going to, in a separate pan, after that's cooked, I'm going to cook my onion. And I'm going to add about 2 cups of the hash brown, or in this case, country style potatoes. I know they say hash browns, but you can use either one. I'm adding garlic powder to taste. So just use as much as you like. Same thing with the Lawry's seasoned salt as well as the black pepper. Again, you're going to just season the potatoes slightly so that they won't be bland in the dish. Next, you're going to cook those potatoes, and once they're sauteed for about 6 minutes, you want to go ahead and add them to the turkey sausage. On top of those potatoes, you're going to add mild green chilies or spicy chilies if you like. I'm a little bit of a lightweight there. So once the chilies are on top of the potatoes and sausage, I just set that aside and I'm going to prepare my eggs. Salt and pepper to taste. I've added 1 cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese, a cup of milk, as well as 6 eggs. And we're going to mix those all together. Next, we're going to take our mixed ingredients and we're going to transfer them to the potato mixture. Now, you may have noticed I used my cast iron skillet for this, which I thought makes a real difference in terms of how the edges crisp up. But you can use a 9x13 casserole dish as well. Okay, because this is going to be cooking for about 45 to 50 minutes on 350 degrees. It serves about 6 to 8 people. Once it's done, you can top it with cilantro, as you see that I've done here. It is a hearty, filling dish. The potatoes make it really nice. It's a breakfast dish that can be made early, great for guests, and that's a hash brown casserole.